Hi everyone, this is Cybil with Soul & Skin Fitness Studio. I'm here today to talk to you about eye cream and the application of eye cream. So a lot of times people have no idea what the heck they're doing with eye cream. They're all like up under the eye, all over the eye area. So we have something called the orbital bone. Take any of your fingers. I do not even care which one it is. Take any of your fingers. You are going to, I like my middle finger, my pad is just the fattest. Go ahead and find that bone. There's a bone that runs all the way around your eye. That is called your orbital bone, right? That is where we're going to put our eye cream. Anything that we put on that orbital bone will move into our eye area, okay? We blink a lot, the eye area is hot, okay? I'm already blinking a ton, watch me in this video. So anything that's here will then, within 20 minutes, move under our eye onto our lid. Anything you put on your lid, under your eye, will move into your eyeball. Let's not do that. So any kind of eye cream that we use, we're just going to tap. You need a very small amount of eye cream. You're going to start on your outside edges. You're going to work their way in. You're going to work your way around, tapping onto the bone. Tap, tap, tap. 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 Tap, 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 tap. You do it on both sides. That's it, guys. And then what's left over, I like to put on my cuticles. You can put on your lip line as long as it doesn't break you out. This is eye cream. Ta-da, eye cream. So I'm going to talk to you for a second about the different eye creams I sell because I love Spell Skincare's eye creams. So I sell primarily three different ones. I am learning about the Rococo ones right now. I can't use them because they have soy in them, but my clients who are using them really love them. But that's me for another video. So, brightening eye gel. Brightening eye gel has a bunch of different ingredients to help with any kind of like dark circles. So it actually has ingredients that help drain lymphatic tissue. All right, so it moves lymph through the tissues so that it moves downwards. It also helps lighten and brighten the eye area while lifting it. So that is the brightening. Then I have revitalizing. So this has a cucumber peptide extract. This one's for anybody who's kind of looking for a lovely middle of the road. I just want something to lift firm and keep my skin tissue healed and healthy and wonderful, okay? Nothing super fancy, just a lovely cucumber peptide to keep you anti-aging, okay? It's not gonna like be crazy. It's just a really nice eye cream. Super basic. It's not gonna cost you $110 or anything. Just a nice, super basic one. Okay. Brightening. It's gonna cost you a little bit of money because it is a lot of stuff. This is a pretty badass eye cream. Okay. I'll use that one at night. I use revitalizing during the day. All right. That's how I do my thing. Enriching eye cream. This one is like the mother of all eye creams if you have dry eye area or if you're already kind of mature and you've got like really already a lot of lines, lots of dryness. You kind of move your face and you're like, oh, it looks like, I don't know, like blah, like that. I have lots of adjectives apparently today with my face. So this one has a bunch of mushrooms, murmura, reishi, ergothioneine is what's primarily the active ingredient in here, and ergothioneine is an awesome ingredient that we really, really love. It's in a bunch of the eye creams that I sell. This is one of my favorite ones if you have any kind of lots of dehydration. If you've come in for a facial, this is the #1 eye cream that I stick on you when you're in here as under any mask. So you come in, you get an eye mask, I slather that on your eyes, I put another mask over you and let that sink on in. I then finish you when you leave with brightening. So you get 2 eye creams when you're in to see me because I like you to make sure you have lovely, lovely eyes. All right, that is eye cream for you all. All right, this is Cybil with Soul & Skin Fitness Studio for your eye cream needs. Hopefully that helps you. Have a fantastic rest of your day. All right, bye.